It's a 2012 Chrysler 300. No other full-size sedan sets you apart from the pack like this 300. From its sculpted curves to its bold wheels, the pride in what you drive begins before you even open the door to the luxurious interior. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, driver and passenger front and seat mounted airbags, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, four-wheel anti-lock disc brakes, and automatic transmission. Get into a Chrysler and let's do great things together. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.